Transform your Tesla Plaid into a scratch-proof fortress with this easy-to-follow paint protection film installation guide. First, unbox your PPF kit and identify all the components. You should have pre-cut film pieces for specific areas, a slip solution, a squeegee, and microfiber towels. Thoroughly wash your Tesla Plaid to remove all dirt and contaminants. Then dry it completely with a clean microfiber towel. Generously spray the application area with the slip solution while this allows you to reposition the film easily. Carefully peel the PPF backing and spray the adhesive side with the slip solution. As well, this prevents bubbles from forming. Gently align the PPF film onto the intended surface, making sure it lines up perfectly with the edges. Use the squeegee to smooth out the film, working from the center outwards to eliminate any air bubbles or wrinkles. Apply firm, even pressure. Wipe away any excess slip solution with a clean microfiber towel. For a perfect seal, use a heat gun on low heat to gently warm the edges of the PPF film, pressing them down firmly. Be careful not to overheat. And that's it. Your Tesla Plaid is now protected with a flawless layer of paint protection film, keeping it looking brand new for years to come. Enjoy the peace of mind.